In this short video tutorial, we're going to see how to post a comment or any link you want into multiple teams that you own. So instead of going into each team that you own and posting the same message over, you can just post your message in one team, and then using the method I'm going to show you, this post will be posted to all the teams you select. In order to do this, you click on one of your teams that you own. Let's say in my case it's class 2. Click the button to post a new conversation and decide what you want to post to your students. In my case, I'm going to post a YouTube link for students to follow after the lesson we had in class. So I wrote the message and I attached the YouTube link inside this post. As I told you, it is a video about the topic we just covered in class. Once you posted your message, you click on this little icon here, the formatting button, which takes you into a new sort of window where you can add a subject, let's say momentum. And from there, apart from having the ability to edit your text, for example, using the bold and italics and the usual editing options you see in almost any text editor, for example, the highlighting, etc. From this same menu window, here you have a button called Post in Multiple Channels. So when you click on Post in Multiple Channels, a new window, a new button will appear called Select Channels. And when I click on this button, a list of all teams that I own will crop up on the screen. All I have to do at this point is select all the teams in which I would like to post my message, be it a simple message, a message with a picture, a link to a video, etc. So I'm selecting class 1 and class 2. So class 2, by default, as you can see, is ticked because I posted this message in class 2. But I would also like to post this message in class 1, let's say in the video tutorials channel, so I pick this option, and also in another team I own, for example, called assembly. So I go there, I tick the general channel, and when I'm done, I selected 3 channels, I click on update. And as you can see, in the 2 area, I have the general section of this team, the video tutorial section of this team, and the general section of this team. Once I'm done, all I need to do is the usual post, the usual send button, and all my teams will have this post on them. So when I click post, you can see that this post is now on my class 2 team. And if I go back to the teams section and I select another team which I own, let's say class 1, in the video tutorials section, in that channel, you can see that this post has been uploaded here as well. The only restriction when it comes to posting in multiple teams using this method is that you cannot send attachments. So if you have a post where you're going to attach a file, you cannot follow this particular method. In all other cases, this method will work fine, and with one post, you will be posting in all the teams you have, obviously saving time rather than having to post in each team one by one.